How to make rice milk.
Today we are going to make rice milk using the soaking method. You'll only need brown rice and water.
Take a half a cup of brown rice and wash thoroughly. For the soaking method, we're going to take the rice and soak it for 8 hours or overnight. Take a pot, add 4 cups of water, and then add the soaked rice. Bring to a boil, cover, reduce heat to let simmer for 45 minutes. Using the soaking method reduces cook time. You may opt for the soaking method if you don't want to spend 2.5+ hours cooking the rice. Add the rice up to here. Add water up to here. Blend completely.
In my other how to make homemade rice milk video, I demonstrated the non-soaking method and used a mesh strainer. This time I'm using a nut bag to extract, separating the milk from the pulp. It was surprisingly easy and quicker than I thought.
So next you just take a nut bag and separate the milk from the pulp.
This will actually save you money. So, making your own plant milk is beneficial for the health conscious and the budget conscious. Enjoy!
Now, a non-soaking method.
Today we are going to make rice milk using a non-soak method. Go ahead and gather a blender, a strainer, and a container to store it in. This only calls for 2 ingredients, water and brown rice. A dash of salt is optional. The trick is, whatever amount of rice you use, cook it in 8 times that amount of water. Here I am cooking 1 cup of rice and using 8 cups of water. Bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce heat to low and let simmer on the lowest setting for approximately 2 to 2.5 hours, checking periodically, stirring, and making sure it is not sticking to the bottom. Allow it to cool down a bit. Pour the rice into the blender up to the halfway point. Then add approximately 4 cups of water. Leave some room at the top. And blend thoroughly. Next, strain the milk. You can use a nut bag. I'll show you using a nut bag in my next video. Today, we are going to use a mesh strainer. The leftover pulp. What can you do with it? Can you bake with it, compost it, toss it? Leave a comment down below. Just refrigerate. It should last approximately 7 to 10 days. Remember, we cooked just 1 cup of rice and blended enough to fill a 4-cup milk jug. This is how much is left over. Repeat blending step to make more. Enjoy!